How many population India have? Lots of population are below. If we talk about the Niti Aayog and scheme Niti Aayog index data, you can see that there are lots of people who are.
Listen. You carry on. I have point. Carry on.
They are able to.
Listen.
They are capable enough of affording that fees. But there are lots of people. There are lots of people in India. They are below poverty. They can't even afford a dole of bread. So how can they think even of that private?
Listen. Poor people can afford new cloth. Poor people can afford iPhone. Poor people can afford cloth.
No making. You can see on Google.
No, why?
No,
I have failed. I am seeing the reality. So how?
Because you are not knowledgeable. You have no knowledge.
Government school student focus only roaming around here and there, gali mohalla halla every time. Private school students have manners. May I go to altar, ma'am? May I go to toilet, ma'am? But if I talk about government school, don't have manners. Only fingers. 1, 2.
If you are saying that they are using a sign language and they are using such a
every time government is
not the problem.
This
is the problem of every school. This is not a problem only government school. This is the problem of
how you can say that ki many people are not coming 15 August and
because teachers are not forced for student.
Oh, that is your point of view. Force is main.
No, force is not main because
private school.
In private school is compulsory. Must have compulsory every people. But government school you have no punishment. Have you go teacher don't give.
Sir,
what sir?
No, that's your point of view. 15 August, 26 January, not a big point, not a big festival of our country.
I agree, but
how you can
in private school conduct very big level of 15 August and 26 January, but no government school only Thanda and for laddu.
How you say that government school student cannot develop our school? Their school.
Already, ma'am, I say.
Aisa.
Already Aisa.
Where
government, where my area, not my area, anywhere you can see. Government school is providing teaching, but government is not providing skill. Government is not providing good teaching.
You went Bihar?
Huh?
You went Bihar? You went
no, I
Assam?
did not go Bihar.
अगर मैं आपको एक बार क्लैप बोलूंगा तो एक बार क्लैप करना है, ठीक है? अब पूरे लोगों का कोलैबोरेशन दिखना चाहिए. If I am going to say 2 times clap, you have to clap 2 times. Okay? If I am going to say 3 times clap, you have to clap 3 times. Okay? Are you ready for that? Okay, clap. No. Clap. Very nice. Clap. Stop. Very nice. Clap. Stop. No. Clap. ना इनका गड़बड़ जा रहा है. क्लैप. नहीं, अभी भी नहीं आया. ये टीम गड़बड़ कर रही है. ये टीम का कोलैबोरेशन नहीं दिख रहा है. क्लैप. Very nice. Now let us see that second activities. I am going to say that 2 and you have to say 3. अगर मैं इंग्लिश में 2 कहूंगा 2 कहूंगा तो आपको हिंदी में 3 कहना है, ठीक है? अगर मैं हिंदी में 3 कहूंगा आपको इंग्लिश में 4 कहना है. उससे एक आगे नंबर इंग्लिश में बोलना है. ओके, 12. 13 कौन बोला? ओके 2 1. ओके 7 8. ओके 9 10 कौन बोला? उधर से आवाज आई. ओके 11 12. ओके 17. हाँ, इस बार सही था. ओके 2 4. ओके 7 9. ओके 12 13. ओके 50 51. ओके 9 वेरी नाइस. 5 ओके 7 You guys are not active. I think you guys are okay. Let us start this session without any further delay. Which team is going to win? Blue versus white. You guys are sitting on the blue chair, and these guys are sitting on white chair. Ladies and gentlemen, this session is all about the debate session, and this team is supporting that government schools are good, and this team is supporting that private schools are good. Let us see the enthusiasm and let us see the opinion of these guys and these people. Okay, so which team is going to win? Blue. White. Okay. Which team is going to initiate? You are going to initiate? You want to initiate? Okay, Mr. Rishabh, please share your opinion. And one more thing, guys. Please listen the rule and regulation. थोड़ा सा आप रूल सुन लीजिएगा, ठीक है? अगर ये ओपिनियन शेयर कर रहे हैं, आप लोगों को एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करनी है किसी से, ठीक है? अगर आप बात करेंगे, मैं नोटिस कर रहा हूँ आपकी टीम को माइनस मिलने वाला है, ठीक है? आपको टीम को माइनस मिलना, इनकी बातों को ध्यान से सुनना है, ठीक है? उसके बाद फिर आप जो क्वेश्चन करने के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछना है आप लोगों को, क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेंगे तब भी माइनस मिलेगा, ठीक है? क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए आप जो है थोड़ा सा लिख सकती है कि इनका जो ओपिनियन है ये इन्होंने शेयर किया, उसको नोट डाउन कर सकती है उनके क्वेश्चन को, ठीक है? और इधर से जब ये ओपिनियन शेयर कर रहे होंगे कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा, एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करेगा, कोई हंसेगा नहीं, जिस तरफ अब जो हंसेगा उस तरफ उसको माइनस मिलने वाला। पूरी सीरियस होकर एक प्रोफेशनल तरीके से डिबेट करिए। हाँ, डिबेट में एग्रेशन होगा, एग्रेशन होता है, एग्रेसिव हो सकते हैं आप, लेकिन बाय वर्ड्स, अपने शब्दों से एग्रेशन दिखा सकते हैं, लेकिन फिश मकेट डोंट मेक इट फिश मकेट। आपको फिश मकेट नहीं बनाना है, मछली बाजार नहीं बनाना है, ठीक है? अपने वर्ड से एग्रेशन दिखाइएगा उनके खिलाफ जो आपको, जिनसे आप शेयर कर रहे हैं उनसे आप लड़ जाइएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बाय वर्ड्स, शब्दों से लड़ जाइएगा, ठीक है? और हाँ, वन मोर थिंग, डोंट यूज एब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज। कोई एब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज नहीं यूज करना है, पहला पॉइंट। दूसरा, किसी को फिंगर नहीं दिखाना है, किसी को फिंगर नहीं दिखाना है, ये भी नोटिस किया जाएगा। फिंगर आप नहीं दिखा सकते, एब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज नहीं यूज कर सकती, एग्रेशन चलेगा, ठीक है? अगर आप एब्यूसिव लैंग्वेज यूज करेंगे तो आपको क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया जाएगा। फिंगर दिखा रहे हैं, एक दो बार वार्निंग दी जाएगी, ठीक है? उसके बाद शायद आपसे डिबेट से, इस पार्ट से हटा दिया जाएगा। ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस सेशन। यस, मिस्टर ऋषभ, प्लीज योर ओपिनियन।
There is very famous quote that today's youth are the future of tomorrow.
Okay.
This is a very famous quote by Nelson Mandela. My name is Rishabh Giri, and today I'm here to discuss, to talk about, or to fight aggressively or verbally on the topic that we have given on the debate of private school versus government school. And today we are supporting that government school are best. Why? If we are empowering, if we are educating the today's youth or the children, you can say, they are going to nurture the tomorrow's future. So it is very necessary to educate all of them, and this can only happen when all the students, when all the children, you can get the proper, you can say proper opportunity or chance to study themselves or literate themselves. And this is where I feel that the government school plays a vital role in imparting the education and knowledge without being a machinery profitable business. So, and I feel that government school is the backbone of our education system, because it not only offers the education, affordable education to the people, to the city, to the people of cities or to the children of cities, but also it reached the rural and underserved communities, which is very important. Because if we have to develop the nation, we have to focus on the larger population of the country to educate, and then only we can achieve this success. But I can say that the private institutions or schools, they are only focusing on making the money, their main business.
Shame on you guys.
So I feel that they are only making the business, and they are only making the profit because of their exuberant, you can say, and because of their high fees structure. But I feel that the education is right, not the privilege, my friend. It is the right of every student, not the privilege. So there should be a gap between right and privilege. The people should get that opportunity to study. The people should get that chance to make them literate, so that they can contribute in the development of the country. That's all.
बहुत अच्छा ऋषभ। हाँ, आप लोग को समझ में आया?
Yes.
In simple way, we can say Rishabh wanted to say that. You can say he was saying that government schools are the backbone of for us, and there are many children they belong from the rural areas. So we should think about that children. We should think about that children, because if you want to develop our country, then the involvement of those people, without involving those people, we cannot develop our country. In simple way, we can say. Any question? Raise your hand. Who wants to ask question? Yes, only you and other people. You also. One by one, आप लोग question कीजिएगा. इनसे yes.
You said private school is doing business, but also private school is providing good teaching. Private school is providing good skill. But if I talk about government school is not providing good teaching, as well as a government school is not providing good skill. So what is the benefit?
Yeah.
We need education. We need skill. We need best education. We don't need anything.
Yeah, I do agree with whatever you have said, my friend. But do you know that the scenario has been changed? Whatever the investment and reforms has been done, and that are changing the condition of the government school. Now the people and now the students are getting whatever they could get in the private school. They can have now the teachers are well qualified. They have to first crack the exam, which are very tough. Even you can say the teacher who are teaching, so even the teacher who are teaching the private school, they are not capable enough of that cracking these exams. So how can you say that they cannot give or they cannot impart that knowledge that we can get in private schools? So
Listen,
yes.
you said the private school teachers are very qualified.
Yes.
But also private teachers very qualified. You can say anywhere. Without qualified private teacher cannot, without qualification private teacher cannot give knowledge. Private student, if I talk about private student have a lot of knowledge, you can compare them government.
Yes, guys, very nice. Yes.
You can compare, you can see not compare to.
If you are only thinking that
No thinking, you can in reality you can
yes,
you can
if you are only thinking that the
Check.
all matter is all about the luxuries and facilities whatever you are giving in the
actually
private
I did
school,
not
doesn't
say
mean-
luxury
Yeah.
facilities. I said
Yeah.
Listen, he's saying that if they have knowledge, why they are not giving to
Ye-
the students?
yes.
Because students
You
have
can
not
check,
the
you can
knowledge.
judge private
Who's saying that they are
private
not-
student
who's
or
saying-
government student.
As I have already told you, my friend, that it was the scenario of past. It has been changed.
Nowadays you
Reforms
can say,
are doing now,
do you
people
have
are-
condition?
now they are
Do
using
you have condition? Do you have
Nowadays-
condition? Listen.
nowadays-
Listen.
Okay, yeah.
Do you have condition nowadays? You can go private school. You can say there are so many students, but you will go government school. You cannot see there are so many students.
There are many
Yes.
government schools like
Where?
Vidyalaya and
Where?
Now they are
Only
providing
if-
lots of
only little
facilities.
bit, only-
They are providing
only
even
little
lots of
bit,
IAS
little
officers
bit,
are
little
getting
bit,
educated
little
from these
bit.
schools. These
Already
You have only
Sir,
one
sir, sir, sir,
example,
no,
like Navodaya
no.
Vidyalaya, Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Yes, yes.
What
Sir,
about-
already
There are
I
lots
have
of- there are-
already
even-
government
even-
teachers sending son private school. Why?
Why?
Yes,
Because-
reality. It is not
Okay,
telling
let
a
me very
lie.
clear with you. Let me
Government, yes.
Let me very clear with you. How many population India have? Lots of population are below. If we talk about the Niti Aayog and scheme Niti Aayog index data, you can see that there are lots of people who are.
Listen, sir, listen. You can carry on, carry on. I have point. Carry on.
They are able to.
Yes. Listen.
They are capable enough of affording
Yes.
that fees. But there are lots of people. There are lots of people in India. They are below, but they can't even afford a dole of bread. So how can they think even of that private?
Listen.
schools?
Poor people can afford new cloth. Poor people can afford iPhone.
Who?
Poor people can afford
Who is
cloth.
saying
New
that
cloth.
poor people
You can
afford-
say every people
No,
have
you are
phone.
making
Every
just-
people have
you
new
are just
cloth.
making
Not
polish
making a
story. No, not at
You
all.
can say
Oh,
say outside.
no,
You can
no.
say already
not
I
at
saw
all.
there are poor people purchasing new clothes. Poor people purchasing phone. Not phone, iPhone.
iPhone.
Yes, in reality,
iPhone.
poor people cannot get admission
You
education.
haven't
Poor people
opened your
cannot
eyes,
get
my friend.
education.
You haven't seen the
Poor
reality.
people
the
cannot
ground
get
reality
education.
of the-
Best
ground
education.
reality. You are just seeing.
No,
you are
no,
just
no.
seeing the
Actually,
middle class
poor
and
people
lower
only
class
intention.
people.
Poor people going on only intention made meal food.
Midday
Made
meal
food.
food. They are going
Poor
only
people
for
roaming
midday
around.
meal.
Poor people cannot.
If the government is initiating such a scheme, what's the wrong in this? If the students are getting food, what's the wrong in this? If the first
Wrong.
health
It
well
is
done,
wrong.
if the
It is
people-
wrong.
if
It
no,
is wrong.
what is
It is
with
wrong.
It's initiating-
Poor people are
it's
addicted because of midday meal food. Poor people are addicted.
No. Why
Yes.
addicted? The
Addicted.
people- in the rural area, you can say there are many students, so there are many.
In the
children,
rural
they
area,
can't
do
even
na
afford,
condition of government school?
Yes, yes, I know.
They don't have roof, they don't have gate, they don't have chair, they don't have any
As-
facilities.
Now
They don't have any.
now the scenario is
Suddenly,
changing. Now they are
suddenly
ready for
it
the
didn't
government
start.
to start.
Suddenly it didn't start.
No,
Close school.
no, government
Close
is
school.
passing-
1 week. 1
No.
week. Already I saw one. I saw
You
one
have
case.
you have
Yes,
seen, you
yes.
must have seen, but I am saying that now the current scenario has been changing because the government has taken initiatives and they are providing. Because if you want to nurture,
Listen,
if you are not, if you are, let me clear with you, if you are able to teach only the middle class and the people who are in rich
Yes.
family, so rich are becoming richer. This is the condition. The rich will going to get the knowledge, and what about the poor people? How they can afford? They are going to afford with the you can say they can get knowledge from these only schools, these government schools only. And if they are getting education in free, what's the wrong in this? And you are
Wrong,
saying,
wrong,
Just
sir,
make
sir.
it all-
Sir,
No,
sir,
no,
sir,
no,
sir.
listen.
Sir, listen,
The
listen.
question was, genuine question
Yes.
was, there are many teachers, government teachers.
Yes.
They are sending their child in private schools. Why?
sir,
Why? Not teachers, leaders.
Why?
leaders.
If leaders always a leader is delivering speech, we can develop in India, we can develop in Sarkari department. Why are you not sending children?
Yes.
Why?
Definitely, I do agree with your point that
Yes.
the teachers whosoever is teaching in the
Yes.
government, they are sending, they must be sending. But why they are sending? They are capable enough. That's because they are capable
No, no,
enough
no.
of sending their
Also,
children. They can
you know,
afford that.
also they know. Also,
They can afford only they are sending. Na. If they can't even afford that money and that.
also
afford fees,
government teacher know कि I cannot my son get best education for government school.
Do you think?
Yes,
Do you think?
yes,
Do you think that only private schools provide best knowledge? Do you
yes.
think? How can you say that? I can give many examples. If you can,
Could you
if you
give me?
you must have heard about the former president APJ Abdul Kalam.
Nowadays,
Sir,
why are you
nowadays?
talking fast?
Now
Why
you
are
can't.
nowadays?
It's a shining example.
Nowadays.
It's a shining
That
example
time I was
that
studying.
government school can
Nowadays.
nurture this kind of a people also. If we talk about our current Prime Minister Dr. Narendra Modi.
But already I know कि APJ Abdul Kalam and Ambedkar Sahab and has a lot of knowledge.
Yes, I just wanted to say that the luxuries and facilities never been a part of this. Only it's all about
I
about
did
the
not say
unlocking
luxury
potential of
facilities.
students.
Already I
If
said
if the children have
best
that
education.
will,
Best
I want to
education.
say that
You have bad education, you can do anything. You don't have bad education, you cannot do
If
anything.
you have-
We need only best education. We don't need a mid-full. We don't need a free of cost.
you don't need na, but there are many people who can't even afford. the food.
We, not you.
But-
We don't need.
Yes.
We don't need.
Okay. Next question. Very nice. Yes. One question, yes, please. And you guys, you also can ask questions. Yes.
You said APJ Abdul Kalam was study in government school.
Okay.
I agree with you, but that time teacher is also give our 100% and best for every student. Nowadays, every government teacher are go school but not get education, good education for student. They are go only for our salary. He not go, but he know about his salaries come in account. But private teachers are no, when they are not go to school, so these people not get salary. And when student get 100% result, then he get our salary. But government teachers are not these things.
Do you think it's really the fault of teacher or school? Do you think that it's the fault of
Yes.
Yes, it's the fault of management. If the student feels, if their parent feels that they are not getting that right education from them, they can even go to that in every rural areas, in every, you can say, local
Every rural-
Panchayati Raj system, they can come up with
Every
their problems.
every government school student face many types of problem in cities and
Yes,
every place.
they were facing.
They were faces every crisis and cities like that. Only we use 1 to 2 language in there, but he go to any good job, but they have no knowledge. But what happened this type of education when we can't do this in our life?
What the purpose of educating only those people who
Purpose
are
of
able-
education, we can't do this our life and best our
if
for
you are
our
able-
family, our parents, our country. Not a government school education, not need and necessary for us.
No, sir. If the people, what's the purpose of educating those people only who are capable
Please
enough of
tell me
affording-
what about
They are not.
what about you?
No, I'm not running after one point.
Why are you get
But
education?
if you are the management,
Why are you getting education?
To be a knowledgeable, to be a literate person.
Why are not go to any government institute? Why are come here any private institute and they are like this?
Who is saying I mean, haven't studied in government school? I have.
I already have.
Yes.
But I face many cases, so I am supporting private.
Yes, that's the
Because,
problem. that you
no,
have afford.
every people are faced.
You face that problem. No. Yes.
When I get good education in sufficient education in government school, so I am suffering from these cases. I am already get good job for future, and I already get good job.
Rather than running after the private school, you could have also you could challenge these problems also, and this could definitely have the many people, many students, those who can't afford, they could not even afford, so they could also have that knowledge. You are thinking you are being selfish here. You are being
This
selfish.
type affordable, not affordable people.
Many there are
This
many
type
people,
affordable.
they can't even afford to. Do
You
think that
talk
the
about
people-
fees like
yes,
this.
fees structure. Do you know what the fees nowadays in private schools?
Who is saying a very big private college you studying our child?
Even if you are talking about very small private schools,
Nowadays, every private school give reservation for poor child who 10% to 20%.
you are making just a
No,
copy
no,
of the
no, no,
story.
no, 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 making
no.
You can see on Google
No, why?
No.
I have faced. I am seeing the reality. So how?
because you are not knowledgeable. You have no knowledge.
No,
It is-
you are saying I'm not knowledgeable and I'm sitting here.
Sorry,
giving
I say sorry because I try to say. I must try to say because it is not in your knowledge. But this the scheme is there in our.
the private school have to give the salaries at the month
But
end.
they
should-
also get
their
good
main
education.
focus- yes, I do agree that they are providing education. They are giving education to the children who are studying there. But their main focus is making business. Not as they are providing lots of you can say obstacles. They are creating uniform. If we talk about the uniform, they are every day, each day there is separate uniform for each day. What will you think?
It
They
is-
can afford? No. No, behavior and character. If you are talking about behavior and character,
But if I talk about government school,
yes.
Okay. No. Other opinion. Next opinion. Okay.
Uniform I'm talking about.
After that, next one. Okay. You said this opinion. Now I'd like to call the next person from this team who wants to share opinion first. Dil Namaz. Yes. Question, guys. Yes. Now you all can ask question. Okay.
good evening, dear panelists. Thank you,
Okay.
Kashi sir, giving me this golden opportunity to speak here. I want to share my opinion. I am supporting private school. I am supporting private school. I will support private school. I must support private school. I supported private school. Private school nowadays.
You will have to support private school.
No, you will not. You should support.
You should support and you will have
Yeah,
to.
you should. So I want to share my opinion. Nowadays, private school is a very good. There are so many students are taking admission only private school. They are not students are not taking admission government school. Why? Because of good knowledge. We need knowledge. We don't need any facilities. We need education. We need skill. We need behavior. We need manners. If I talk about private school also teachers is providing behavior after providing a teaching good as well as skill. But government school is not providing a skill. Government school is not providing good teaching. Government student don't have manners of. There are so many students. I saw one case. My society. He was going to everyday government school, but he doesn't have. He did not have knowledge. He did not have knowledge. Not only one. There are so many people. He don't have any knowledge. Only little bit you can take knowledge, but he did not have knowledge. But private school student have knowledge. Private school student have goals. What do you do? What do you do in life in future? How do you become a doctor? How do they become engineer? How do they become a doctor? How do they become a lawyer? But government school student don't take focus. Don't take focus anything. Only government school student only focus mid-meal food. Government school student focus only roaming around here and there, gali mohalla halla halla every time. Yes, sir, reality. If government also, government teacher is not sending son government school. Government teachers are sending children private school. Why? Also government teachers know, government teachers know कि student cannot get a knowledge by government school, but student can get knowledge by private school. Private school is a very good. Private school students have manners. May I go to utter, ma'am? May I go to toilet, ma'am? But if I talk about government school, don't have manners. Only fingers. 1, 2. Already you know. 1, 2. So if I talk about government school, is a very bad, but private school is a very good. Nowadays, listen. Already you mentioned कि government school is very affordable. Poor people cannot afford, but poor people every day can afford a drink. Poor people can afford a new cloth. Poor people can afford rooming around here. Poor people can afford a traveling charge. Poor people anything afford, but poor people cannot afford get best education. Why? Why not? Poor people can afford best education. Poor people can remove poverty because of education. We need education. If I talk about in other country, London, America, every day develop because of education. But India is not developing in every day. Indian people cannot afford anything. Indian people thinking every day कि I am poor people, I cannot do anything. Why? They can do anything, na? If I, as far as I think in Khan sir and APJ Abdul Kalam, they did not have Khan sir. Already I saw one story, and Ambani. There are so many stories I read. They can do anything, but poor, only blaming poor people cannot afford private school. But why? Poor people can afford anything, but poor people cannot afford best education. Poor people get best education. Poor people can remove poverty because of education. But there are so many people. Students are wasting time. Government school is not providing. Suddenly it rains start. Government school is closed. How will they manage? How will they manage? How will they?
Do you think that if the poor people or poor students want to take admission in the private school,
Yes,
without
not
any fees, so they are going to get?
There are so many private schools, not only very high. There are so many. If I talk about
You can't even tell a single school with the
structure, different fee. You can get admission easily.
First question will be asked.
There are so many coaching. You can say.
कोई और? हाँ, उधर से सारे लोग क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. Yes, you have a question. Okay. पहले रूमा पूछिए, उसके बाद आप लोग क्वेश्चन के लिए तैयार हो. Yes, try to be serious.
Okay.
Okay.
First of all, good evening, my dear panelist, and my name is Ruma Singh. Okay, you already said कि private school student, government school student cannot develop our skill. Then how you can say that government school student cannot develop our skill? Their skill.
Already, ma'am, I say.
How you
Aisa. Already, Aisa.
Where you
Government, where my area, not my area, anywhere you can see. Government school is providing teaching, but government is not providing skill. Government is not providing good teaching.
You went Bihar?
Huh?
You went Bihar? You went
No, I
Assam?
did not go Bihar. I
So
did
how
not.
you can say that?
Also, listen. Do you know condition of Bihar?
Huh?
Do you know condition of Bihar?
Yeah, I know condition Bihar. Yeah, I know. Yes, sir. I think
Listen.
66% belong to people belong to poor family, and after that he perform many struggle, and he become IS PCS. See, their people become IS PCS because their people can do hard work, and can make in future something
In
special.
government school.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
can say? How can say? Already
Many
I know.
example.
Already I know.
Recently, many pupils become IS PCS.
Sir.
You such a
Sir, I have.
Don't tell answer.
I want to be.
No, next. Any question? हाँ, दूसरा question. ये question थोड़ी. दूसरा
Yes,
question.
question.
Yes, सुलोचना. Yes, बहुत अच्छा question. हाँ, do you know the Bihar?
Already I know.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, I have a lot of point, but you couldn't give.
Ask.
How can you say? How can you say that?
Realistically,
Dear, mystically, how can you say that government school not provide good education?
Already I have mentioned, government school is not providing good
No.
education.
You can say you can see the Navodaya Vidyalaya and the Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Only you have only one example. Navodaya Vidyalaya.
you can see the Delhi school.
You can
Also, I
you
know.
can see the
But,
Delhi schools better than private school.
Private school, yeah.
Many rich pupils sending our children to
but many
government
people
schools.
cannot go na Delhi. Many people cannot go
That's
Delhi.
about the many people
Yes,
can't
but only
afford
one
private
school.
schools.
Only
That's
one school. Not
No, only
government
one
is
school.
not opening. Government is not opening anywhere school in Delhi. Sir, less than
You know about
cases.
our IPS officer Divya Taman.
School.
Yes, Navodaya
Sir, if I talk
Vidyalaya.
about school, not university, college.
Yes, sir.
School.
Navodaya Vidyalaya. School, Navodaya. Yes, sir.
Then student people can crack
Yes, sir.
IAS exam.
No, they are not taking the all.
Right now, I am saying school. I am not saying a university and Visvidyalaya. I am not saying a university Visvidyalaya. I am saying school.
They are talking
Yes.
about the school, man. They are talking
How
about
can say, sir?
Yes, we can.
How can say? I do. I beg to differ. I beg to differ.
That is not my problem. That is your
That's
problem.
your problem. That's your
Yes,
problem.
yes,
No,
that's
no, no,
your
sir.
problem.
Means you are
Sir,
the
many children have lots of talents and crack Navodaya exams and go there and yes.
Sir, many cases.
Last question.
Yes, he was saying that the students of a government school are not well educated and were not well mannered. How can you say that the people only study in the government school are not only well educated?
Listen.
Wait a moment. Let me speak. I've seen many students, they are not well educated and not well mannered in the you can say private institutions also. And I can give the example,
Listen,
a very
listen.
heinous example I can give.
Listen.
Yes.
I one of my personal experience.
Yes, personal.
That time I was studying in government school.
Yes.
I did not get anything, but
Yes.
I decided that I went to private school. I got knowledge because of private school.
No, you are twisting my
I
point
am-
actually.
no,
What
no, twisting,
I am
no.
asking
I
question.
personal.
Whatever you said, I asked question regarding that. Why you have said that the students in
You
the
can compare.
No, you
Government-
can't. No, you
government
can't compare.
student
It's
and
all about the
private
education.
school
If you are
student.
saying
You can
that,
compare.
if
You
you are
can
saying
compare.
that they are using a sign language and they are using such a
Every time
but
government
this
is
is not the
abusing
problem.
language,
This is
abusing
the problem
language.
of every school. This is not a problem only government school. This is the problem
Government,
of
sir,
every school.
government-
No, you can't
government
mention.
school
Have you heard
students
that
are not
case?
giving respect
Have you
teacher.
have you heard that case that Ryan public school case that the one school one
He doesn't know.
yeah
He doesn't know.
He-
That's
Sir, I know.
very renowned
Sir, I
private-
know.
That was very renowned private school of Haryana, I think. And there, one student murdered an innocent child. So
Many cases, sir,
no,
many
they are
cases,
murdered.
sir.
You can't. You
Many
can't,
cases.
No, they are, no. You can't say that. Like the people who are studying in the government school, they use abusive and they don't have that etiquette and manner. So it's not all about the school.
No, please. Okay. Let us take the other opinion from who shared this. इधर से share किया गया था opinion. From this team. Okay. Yes. Shilochana. Opinion. Yes. Opinion.
Good evening, dear panelist.
हाँ.
My name is Shiroshna,
Okay.
and I would too like to pay my humble gratitude for Mr. Ashish who has given me this golden chance to speak here. My topic is that government school is better than private school.
Very nice.
Yes. Uh,
Because
government school providing I know I think that private school providing good education, but government school also providing good education, because like that Navodaya Vidyalaya and Kendriya Vidyalaya and Delhi. I saw many examples that in Delhi government school providing good education, better education than private school. Many children have lots of talent and crack the Navodaya exam and Kendriya Vidyalaya exams and getting admission and achieve good education and many and manners not achieve good education and achieve good manners and management time and other things and no pay any rupees, no money, no pay any money, no. And I saw I can I can saw private schools many discriminations, but government school uh, doesn't have any discrimination like that. Midday meal providing any all students providing all students.
And in private,
And private schools
there are many discriminations.
there are
And you
yes,
can say the casteism,
yes,
nepotism.
many, yes.
कॉमन अपना ओपिनियन शेयर कीजिएगा, उसमें आप क्वेश्चन रख सकती हैं। वो जो क्वेश्चन आप पूछने जा रहे थे उसमें आप मिक्स कर सकते हैं।
Good evening, dear panelists. My name is Komal. I am from Lucknow. Being among it means a lot for me. I would like to pay my humble gratitude to Rashid sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak here. Considering the main consideration, I would like to talk about government school versus private school. My topic is keep on eye and take care in private school, because nowadays every parents want his child get a good and best education, because he work hard for his child, so he not compromise to his future. But in private, in comparison to government school, children are not safe many times, because not a good safety and security facilities are available in there, and only one maid on into 20 50 to 30 to 40 children. But private schools in available very less student in every class, so every maid interact to every student individually and take care every student. And many student, they have many methods of keep an eye to every student, like use CCTV cameras, and we can go anywhere any with maid and easily, and with we know about children for PTM meeting and talk to his parents to mobile phone. And they in private school, teacher and student relation is like a best friend, but government school teacher and student relation is not a best friend. Many teachers are only best friend and teacher, but not all. So that's I am supporting in private school. Thank you.
As you have said that the private school provide the security and all to the students who are very low of age, so can't you think that security does not meant for the security doesn't relate with the private or a government school? What's the matter in this, that security can be threatened anywhere, in the government too, in the private too, as I've given the example. As I've given the example also that that of a school, that the one crime has been done on that school, in that school. So if you are saying that the private schools are providing the security to the children, why it's only to the private? Why not government? It could be that security threaten can be anywhere. It
But
does-
without you go classroom, you can't see children, your children is what is doing. But private school everywhere held in लगे हुए assess in CCTV camera.
Don't you think that there was CCTV camera on that school?
No,
There was,
every place is not there. Like many places are not available in CCTV. No, comparison to comparison to private school and
How you can say that? How you can say that government school not providing good quality of CCTV camera?
please you can see me.
Oh, where see? Where?
One day I go to government school. I was going to government school near Alambag.
Yeah.
So only they have present only one teacher and no more CCTV cameras in there.
Do you really think that CCTV camera can stop all this?
No,
I've
no.
seen many students, they are blasting bomb and all
No,
in
no.
the washroom and all. They do. And in the private school only.
I can try to.
No.
No,
CCTV
this-
can't. CCTV camera can't.
There are
And one-
no one CCTV camera are available in there.
And please, ma'am.
No.
Please, ma'am.
Yes.
One ask one question. And you said that you go anywhere and anywhere go and anywhere provide CCTV camera.
Every
Such only under the school na, only classroom na.
No.
And not go anywhere. See, huh?
CCTV camera.
Yeah. How you can say that anywhere CCTV camera present?
No.
How you can say that?
CCTV camera not available in washroom, but
Yeah.
cover washroom area.
Okay. First of all, good evening, my dear panelist. My name is Roma Singh. I would like to pay my humble gratitude for Ashish sir, who has given me this golden opportunity. Today I am here presenting to talk about government versus private college school. So my topic is government school better than private school, because private school is very good for our future, because many state, our India many state of people belong in poor family. If cannot afford expensive fees our children, and if they cannot afford many dresses for our children. If I talk about government college better than private school, and government school provide many achievement, and government school provided many activities. Many people said that government school not provided is many extra activities and many good qualities of play. But my opinion, government school provide many extra activities, and government school provided free of cost books for children, and free of cost provide dress for children, and government school providing meal free of cost with children, because empty stomach not you cannot study. You cannot study, and yeah, you are if you are hungry, they cannot you can study. My opinion, that's reason is government school is very good, and government teacher is salary is very good, other than is private school, because government school teachers crack for very hard examination and well educated, and many example of scientist and many example of engineer, which person take study for government school.
You want to say specific vocation, not every time, but private school every time conduct many
My point.
activities.
My point. I think
No,
that's your point of view. 15 August, 26 January, not a big
No.
point, not a big festival of our country.
I agree your point, but
How you can
In private school conduct very big level of 15 August and 26 January, but no government school only one Jhanda and for laddu.
How you can how you can say that कि government school only purpose of झंडा?
Please give me many example. Many not leave about Kendriya Vidyalaya, Delhi Vidyalaya and Navodaya. About
Why
your team members, your all team members. When debate start, every time you get example Kendriya Navodaya. I want to
our
talk about
country.
mostly private school are conduct big level of 15 August January.
तो our country is big level of part of Navodaya
So why
Vidyalaya.
most-
Many people correct
You support government school, so why not every government school celebrate that big level? Why are you not supporting? No, sir. Why are you leave only many government school? Why are not conduct big level? Very many students are not came to 26 January and 15 August. Why are not coming? Many people are get holiday are at home.
How you can say that कि many people are not coming 15 August and 26?
Because teachers are not force for student.
Oh, that is your point of view. Force is main.
No, force is not meant because
Yeah.
private
You
school
say
in
na.
private school is compulsory, must have compulsory every people. But government school you have no punishment. Have you go teacher don't give.
Sir,
What sir?
your points of view. Many people came private school fear of teacher.
No fear of teacher.
That is problem.
So
private school.
not you no sir, 1 minute.
They are conducting.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
She said that it is a special moment for our country. So is it our country special moment? So why are not coming? What is about fair?
That is, listen me.
Yes,
That is festival.
our country.
My country and my soul.
So okay.
Came outside feel my soul. Not is came outside and feel fear.
Okay.
हाँ.
Why are you
Yeah.
saying who people
Yeah,
is
inside of
why?
yeah.
How?
Yeah.
It should be inside. Do you think that the people who are forced to celebrate the national festival like 15 of August and
How are you saying who people
wait a
are
moment.
studying in private?
You have given the data that the people are celebrating it in the private schools only. They are every students and every teachers must have to be present on that day.
And when
You have
excited
said,
go
but
for,
what's the real purpose of? Do you think that only attending these festivals and attending can build that patriotism film?
Any student know about any
No,
patriot?
I've seen many students also. They purchase that flags and all, and they disrespect also.
Yeah.
So,
The government should also came there.
no, you can't say-
No. They also no.
So you
Oh,
can't
he
say-
already go out. Go.
So
They
you can't-
already go school
that's
and
something. That's something that you can't blame. You can't blame to the government school for this. That the people, that the students are not having that sense of feeling of patriotism.
Yeah.
who can say who is living?
You
No.
say na, you say na
The
कि-
feeling of patriotism could be from inside our heart, and it should be in everyone's.
Please
you
complete
say
my
na
sentence.
कि-
1
you say
minute.
na
1 minute.
fear of punishment of teacher.
Yes.
No.
You say.
You.
say.
It should be feeling.
Because every student it is a teacher responsibility. He built a.
Please listen me.
Firstly, you complete my sentence because it is
First,
teacher.
listen me one point. Listen me one point.
Sir,
Listen me one point.
Because it is teacher responsibility because they have student, so it is teacher responsibility that he build in patriot for our country. So it's not as fair. It is of your future and know about your patriots.
किसने शेयर किया था इधर से अभी? आपने शेयर किया था। हाँ आरती मैम, आप अपना ओपिनियन एक अच्छे तरीके से ओपिनियन रख दीजिए। ठीक है बस। हाँ ट्राई कोशिश।
Good evening, dear panelists. My name is Aarti and I am from Lucknow. My name is Aarti and I am from Lucknow. Thank you for Rasi sir this giving golden chance for asking. My topic is private school. I supporting a private school. I would like to support the private school because there are many facilities available. This is a clean washroom. Sitting arrangement management is very good, and classroom is very clean. they are also available in digital board and whiteboard and available in projector. Though also these also benefit in children life. So I can say कि private school is better than government school, because like that they are available in a health center, and they are also available in a computer lab, chemistry lab, etc. Um, they are also available in a main gate to indoor security guard, and cameras are. That's it. I supported for private school.
So that's why
I support
I support
private
private school.